Good morning. 8:30. Slept okay. It rained pretty much the whole night. Last shower finished about an hour ago, which is okay. Been to shower block, cleaned myself up, started with that. Now I've started on the tent. Just there's mud and debris everywhere, so just washing stuff down bit by bit, getting that done. Freya survived. I'll give you a quick show around in a second. Plan for today is cook up some breakfast quickly, look after myself, get this all squared away fairly neat and tidy because I don't want to have to take it home, then unpack it again to clean it. That's just a hassle. And then find some nice twisties and work my way back home. So I'm going to leave Canton Vaud and head back into Canton Valais and head back into the hills where it's raining as well. Autumn is definitely here. Should still have some fun today. Let's get on with it. So on Freya, I am just drying out the wet weather gear. Hey, word of advice, get good quality wet weather gear. It's a lifesaver, isn't it? This Scott stuff I love. Found it in sale as well, which was nice. So it's been a tough old morning. Everything, and I mean everything, was covered in mud. Bottom of the tent, side of the tent, where it splashed back up, all the chairs under the table, all the legs, Freya. So yeah, it just came down, splashed back up. Where I sat, the tent was a pretty good spot, but I was in a bit of a runoff area on one side, so that collected debris. But anyway, nice thing about being in a big campsite is you have access to hoses and stuff, so I've been power hosing down. The sun's sort of in and out, there's still cloud around and a bit of rain here and there, so I've been lucky so far, and I think I've got it as dry as I'm going to get it before the rain arrives now. I hope this isn't my last camping of the season, but it might be, so I wanted to make sure that she was put away before I can get to her in the winter and clean it all out and make sure there's no mould and all that. I think I've done a good job. I hope I've done a good job. I've tried my best here. It's been a slog this morning. Managed to get in a coffee, which was good, and had a bit of hot food. Just a muddy old day. Anyway, that's that done. So there's Freya fully loaded. I'm going to wind my way back home through the back roads of Vaud, the canton. I will show you some of that. Come along for the ride. Well, I actually quite enjoyed that campsite, even with all the drama. Lovely lady working at the reception there. And as I said, the facilities are exactly what I needed for the weather I had. So, no complaints at all. Still prefer to be somewhere more wild, but all good. So I put in my little beeline for a couple of towns in the countryside way back kind of route in Canton Vaud. Once I get to my home canton, not much I can do. It's up the valley, and by then I'll be tired and I'll want to get home. But for now, let's see what Vaud has to offer, and hope the sun stays mostly out. Don't fancy getting wet weather gear back on again, having just dried it out and put it away. Nice to be on the open road. Camping's all well and good, but it's actually about this, isn't it? I do need to speed up my whole process. Even on a wet day, I need to be able to do that much quicker. I need to go through everything I have and really decide if it's essential, basically. I'm thinking the stove is a no-go. I love being around a campfire and all that, and cooking my food over a grill. But it's a lot of stuff that I have to take along just for that. And all I really want actually is to sit by the campfire when I'm allowed to light a campfire and have a hot cup of tea in my hand or a cold beer. So all that requires actually is a box of matches and something to heat up some water in, a metal cup basically. So I think that's what I'll reduce myself to. And these are some nice little roads I found now. So big smiles. Yeah, some absolutely great roads here. Beautiful countryside. This is what I was dreaming of. Just big old smile makers. Keep going past all these beautiful villages, and they really are gorgeous, and the only thing missing is a pub. They don't do them. You see the occasional Gasthof, but what you really want is a nice beer garden and a nice bit of food. Quench the thirst. Well, you know where you have to go if you want to do that. Well, somewhat dark and ominous up ahead, isn't it? I'm moving with the weather, and I got to hit right at some point, so hopefully I can skirt around most of this. Oh, it's getting wetter and wetter. I'm heading the wrong way. Good looking countryside. Just went past a little fortified farmhouse, must have been hundreds of years old. It was stunning, a bit run down, just stepping back in time. So good. Oh, it's a great little twisty. I'm not a confident wet weather guy, so I'm not going to push it through, but this would be amazing in the dry, wouldn't it? Take me to blue sky, please. Coming down a bit heavier now. There's a great combo, freshly cut grass and rain. And how to lose yourself on a corner. Well, nice little town here. Let's see if we can sit this out for a second, shall we? I think it's just moving through. Moudon, or that road out of Moudon, or in, whichever way you're going to go, needs repeating. Really does need repeating. That was a great road. Blue skies up ahead. Okay, we keep going. The eternal optimist. The eternal optimist is getting himself in trouble with the rain. Here's the issue with the beeline, because you haven't got the big map, you haven't got the big view. You tend to blindly follow your little arrow. So now, if I had a bigger map, I could look at the weather and then the map and go, okay, I'll go around that way, I'll go this way. I don't have that luxury. I'm just sitting on the edge of this rain cloud. But I've actually got sun in my face. Oh well. Deja vu of yesterday, isn't it? Behind me, all I can see is blue skies. Ahead of me. It's been a weather-dominated 3 days, really, isn't it? I started off with beautiful weather as soon as I got into Canton Vaud. That was a lovely ride in. And yesterday was a bit of everything. Geneva was sweltering, absolutely cooking. And then I was driving into a big old thunderstorm. I'm going through some great little towns and villages though. Here's my chance, I think. Nice big petrol station, pull in, get a coffee. see where we're at on the map, see what this weather's going to do. Oh, so I'm coffeeed up, all well and good. The weather's moved on a bit. I'm hoping it's not going to follow me the whole, or I'm not going to follow it the whole way. We will shortly find out. We're sort of similar directions, I think. If I can get 10 minutes in the sun, I will dry out. And that would be lovely. I just got my first glimpse of Lake Geneva. Working our way back. Well, these are some, yeah, entertaining little routes. This is the beauty of the B-line. Just don't know what you're going to get. This is a good one. And it's sunny over the lake again. Coming towards the end of Canton Vaud. I will shortly be in Canton Valais. And it's been an adventure. Stormy weather, heavy skies, but I've enjoyed it. It's a beautiful place, Canton Vaud. It needs a lot more time spent in it. I think I need to discover more of those great twisties, preferably in a little bit more sun. We're just coming back on Montreux. I'm gonna have to work my way through the town again. I'm heading back into the mountains in what looks like more rain. But I might get lucky. There is a gap between. Well, I just found the magical bit of Montreux, I think. That was some really fun little back streets. Amazing setting. 3 days on the road. Weather wasn't great, but you make the best of what you got, don't you? And I'm still smiling, I've enjoyed it. Montreux behind me, Lac Le Mans or Lake Geneva here. It's been good. I wish I'd got into Geneva earlier and had real good time to be at Meister. I'll just have to come back to them because what I saw, I need more of that. It looked really good what they make, really good. Other than that, everything else has actually been a success. The weather was a challenge, but it proved how good the wingman of the road is. I think I will scrap the stove though. I don't think it's working for how I travel. It's just easier to grab a sandwich, go to fast food, go to a restaurant, whatever. You can still do that on the cheap. But the back roads of Canton Vaud, exceptional. I loved it. They were what I thought they were. Really good bike country. I need to come back. I need to come back on a nice sunny day and just blast around, have some fun. It's not so far from me, so I will be back. I know roughly where to go now. And there's lots more to explore. Montreux, any nasty words I said, I take back. I found some really nice back roads just now coming through and it was magical, really charming. So I want to come back with a wife and spend some time there. It looked like a lot of fun. Really nice cafes and restaurants, place to sit out and just enjoy this amazing view. I hope you've enjoyed it. This has been another one I've loved doing and plenty more to come. I'm going to blast now into Canton Valais. I'm right on the border. Weather's looking a bit ish, so I'm just going to shoot home. See you on the next one. Cheers.